Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Jeep Wrangler engine. First, gather your essential supplies, including a quality automotive degreaser, various brushes, and plastic to protect sensitive parts. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery, then carefully cover any electrical components like the alternator and fuse box. Now it's time to apply the degreaser. Spray an automotive-specific engine degreaser liberally over the entire engine bay, avoiding direct contact with covered electrical parts. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the grease and grime. Then, use a variety of brushes, from stiff bristled ones to smaller detailing brushes, to agitate and scrub away stubborn dirt. Next, carefully rinse the engine. Use a low-pressure water stream, like from a garden hose, to wash away the degreaser and loosen dirt. Be mindful not to spray directly onto the covered electrical components. Ensure all soap and grime are completely rinsed off. Once clean, use compressed air or clean microfiber towels to thoroughly dry the engine bay, preventing water spots. For the final steps, carefully remove all the plastic coverings from your electrical components. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's secure. To give your engine a fresh look and added protection, apply a non-silicone engine dressing. This will help repel dust and keep it looking great. Now, your Jeep Wrangler engine is clean and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.